Diabetes. Yes, this is Siddha medicine. We are going to use only two flowers for this making for this tea. Diabetes occurs because of less insulin production. Many of you are aware of that. To make a insulin production or refresh the insulin production of pancreas, this flowers tea will be helpful. You just try once, then you will see the benefit of how Siddha they find out very long back in ancient time. For this we are going to use two flowers. The first one botanical name is Nymphaea pubescens, and this one we can grow at our homes. It is a home garden type of flowers only and very attractive. Not only for this diabetes and sugar, you can grow it for other health benefits too. This flower name in various languages. English it is Egyptian lotus. In Indian languages, in Hindi, India has many languages. Hindi it is called Kokka Krishna Kamal. In Kannada it is called Kannaidile, Kendavare, Kolihu, Neela Naidili. In Malayalam, Vellanpul, Nirampul. In Marathi also Krishna Kamal, Lal Kamal or Rakta Kamal. In Sanskrit it's called Alipriya Alohita, Kamala, Kollaramu, like that. In Tamil it is called Allipu, Alli Tamarai, Alli Mullam, Alliver, Allari, like that. In Telugu, Allikada, Allikada, Indivara, Kalavapuvu, Kaluva, Kaluvapuvu. The another flower, the next one is Kasika Arukulta. This one will grow naturally in agricultural land and red soil, and this is native of this plant is native of Indo and Sri Lanka, and it is in English it is called mature tea tree. The same thing for in mature tea tree. The other names of in Indian languages for this mature tea tree. In Hindi it is Aval, Tarvar, Taravar. Kannada Avarake, Ate Avara, Hannevari Gida, Honnavari Gida. Malayalam Avara, Jimuti, Ponnaviram. Marathi Aval, Taravada, Taroda. Sanskrit Ahula, Ahulya, Ahulam. Tamil Avarai, Avari. It's Avarampu. In general it is Avarampu. Telugu Avarai, Tangir, Tangidu, Tangiro, Avarai. So how to prepare this tea? Take 2 to 4 numbers of each flower and clean it, and add 2 glasses of water and boil it for 10 minutes to reduce the water from 2 glass to 1 glass. This is the basic of Siddha medicine to extract the essence of any flowers or herbs. 2:1 ratio they will follow. So put flowers into glass of water and make it 1 glass. Most of the essence in the flowers from the flowers will be extracted to the water. Now cool it to drinkable level, sip, then start drinking this tea. How many days? How to drink this tea? You have to drink 2 times a day, morning and evening, most probably in the empty stomach. Why means To have it is not a medicine or tablets to take after a meal. This is herbal products. Herbal products is like a food. It's like a food. So don't mix this food with other food. It will be diluted. Else it will be diluted. If you drink it raw, only this food, that means then the effect will be more. That's why drink this tea mostly in the empty stomach, morning and evening, for 40 days without any breakup. If you are taking any medication, continue that. It will not harm that whatever the medication you are taking. And those who are in not taking medication but yet to plan, yet they are planning to take medication, but first try this one for 40 days, then see the result, then decide yourself. Why 40 days means, once you start Siddha medicine, it will give the result for the lifelong, for your lifetime. That's why 40 days continuous they are instructing. Siddha is instructing. So please follow for these 40 days, 2 times a day, this herbal tea. First, gather the material, prepare the flowers where you can get it, and store it. You can store it in a cool place. Don't sun dry, just shadow dry it. Use the flowers. If you are doing the sun dry, then all the essence will be left. Then so use shadow dry. Also try to grow the water lily called Egyptian lotus. It will be best. Then this mature tree you can buy the flowers and store it in your home, and continue this for 40 days and see the result. Put your comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. Bye. Thank you.